still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another interesting video. It's your girl Mimis Up. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome to the family. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thanks for always stopping by to watch my videos. So you guys, this video I'm going to be talking about my previous videos and some comments I got about this K9 wireless review that I did previously. I got some comments and some people said they actually needed a live tutorial on how they can actually connect this that is not working on their phone, this, that and that. So in this particular video I'll be talking about and I'll be showing you guys how you can connect this if you're using an Android phone. But if you're using an iPhone, I'll only show you the connector, but you can just use the tutorial in this video, like the instinct that you get from this video. You can use it to connect your iPhone, and as I have said earlier on, this is very easy to connect. So far you did the right thing, you will definitely get the connection. So far you did the right thing, you will definitely get the connection. So this particular one, this particular version of K9 that you have to watch out for if you're buying it, you have to watch out. I don't know if this camera is focused enough. Anyways guys, so by this side you will see the option for iPhone and the option for Type-C by the side. If you are using Android or you are using iPhone, just make sure you are buying the one that has the two options. Do you get? So in case you are using iPhone and you have to specify, like you have to specify for the to the vendor that okay, this is what you actually want. Because initially when I bought my own, they gave me the one for the port for iPhone, which I had to return back. I returned it and got the one that has the two options, even though I'm not using the one for the iPhone. But at least, or you make sure you buy the one for Type-C if you're using a Type-C phone. If you're using an Android phone, make sure you buy the one for Android. Do you understand that? So that being said, too, I need to say this as well. There are some that comes with just one mic and there are some that comes with two mics, so you can go for whichever one that suits you, whichever one that you want. I just bought this one because sometimes you might actually need, maybe while filming, one goes off, you can easily just connect the other one. Unlike the one that has just one, you have to wait till you charge it before you can continue with whatever you're doing. And again, you might want to do a podcast or invite somebody to your channel. So instead of you having to share one mic, you can just both take one. So which is why this two is better, if you may ask me. So if you ask me, I would prefer the two microphones. So that being said, let's go ahead to how you can actually connect the K9 wireless to your phone. So I'll be using this phone as a sample. So this is the OTG connector. So this is the first thing you have to do. You connect this OTG connector to your Android. So you connect it to your Android. My Android is Type-C actually, so I'll be connecting this to it. For people using iPhone, I will show you what to do. This is the iPhone mount and this is the Android mount. So if you're using Android, you have to, the first thing you will do, my own phone is Type-C. My phone is Type-C, which is why I can connect it directly to it like this. It's because I'm using a Type-C and the mount is Type-C. But if you're using Android, you have to connect this and this. This is the Android mount that comes with it. You have to connect it like this. Can you guys see that? So you connect it like this before connecting it to your Android phone. But because my own phone, and if you are using iPhone as well, you will do the same thing. You connect it to the Type-C like this, then you connect it to your iPhone. So just to be clear, for those that are using Android and iPhone, so for me that is using Type-C now, I'll just connect it direct, and which is why I said you should look out for the one that has the option of both iPhone and Type-C or Android. So if you choose the one that has both, it will come with different mouths, different ports, which is for Android, for iPhone, and for Type-C, which is better. So I will just connect it directly. Since I'm using Type-C, I don't need to do some extra connection. So then the next thing you will now do after doing this, make sure you check there's a O beside it here. I don't know if you guys can see the O. There's a O here. Make sure there's a light, a red light blinking from the O. So once you've confirmed that, and if it's not blinking, which means it has not connected, so what you would do is to go to, I'll just do a clip on how you can now connect it with your OTG connection. This is the OTG. You have connected it physically, you have connected it to your phone physically, so you need to go and connect it on your phone as well for it to connect. And once you do that, there will be a red light blinking here. So once you have done that, I'll show you the clip on how you can do that. Okay, so guys, the first thing you need to do is to go to settings on your phone. So once you get to settings, on the search bar, type OTG connection. Okay, even before you finish typing it, you will get the it will pop up. So just click on it, click on the OTG connection, then connect your OTG connector, which I have done already. I showed you guys in the video. Then afterwards, you turn on this part of the OTG. You can see there are several options here. So the part that says OTG connection, make sure you turn it on, and mind, and voila, that's it. Then you can start filming your video as you would prefer. And again, guys, for this to work properly for you, you need to go to Play Store. If you don't have Open Camera, download Open Camera on your phone. Type in Open Camera on your phone. Once you type that, this is it, guys. Then because I have it already, it's showing open. But if you don't have it, it will tell you install. So you install it on your phone. Then, because this is the best camera that can actually work with it on Android. I don't know if any other person have used any other one, but this one works well for me, and that's what I've been using. Anytime I want to use my mic to film, I would use the Open Camera, which is very, very okay, and it does the work. This is it. Okay, so guys, I've connected it here, and I'd make sure the red light is showing, is blinking inside the OTG after the connection on my phone. So then I would now, there's a button on the speaker here. The next thing for you to do is to press the button. Once you press it, you see a light, a green light. Once this green light is on, you can then connect it to you can put it on your phone, or just use it as the case may be for you. Do you now understand? That is how you are going to connect it. Once the green light is on your microphone, it means both the OTG connection and your microphone and your phone are connected. Simple. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to connect it. And when you're filming, you have to be conscious of the fact that this green light is still on your microphone, because once it goes off, it means whatever you are speaking about, whatever you're talking about in your video would no longer be audible. It means you have to now do a voiceover maybe later after you've charged your phone. I've experienced this times without number. So you have to be conscious of the fact that this green light is still on, which is why it is better for you to buy the one that has two microphones, so that when one goes off, you can easily on the other, but it lasts longer. It's just that sometimes when you have a longer videos to film, you might not be conscious of the fact that the mic is off. So you just be speaking and not be audible. No one would hear what you're talking about. So you have to now be doing extra work, which is doing voiceover. But if you can just be conscious of it and make sure this green light is on, then you are good to go. That's it, guys, and that's how you can connect. I hope you guys understand how easy it is to connect this K9 wireless. If you have any other question, you can write it in the comment section down below and I will respond to it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have watched till this very moment and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you'll be among the first to get my videos anytime I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.